gentlemen, fancy meeting you here. Superdan, Jigsaw puzzles, puzzle number 8, the Clementoni, Amerigo Vespucci, 1,000-piece puzzle. This is part 2. Welcome to part 2. I've been hitting the puzzle like a, what do you call it? Guerrilla warfare. You know, hitting, go and do something, hitting, go and doing something. So I've got some more things done. I'll show it to you really quick before we do the time-lapse footage. And we've done a lot, so let me just show you the puzzle right quick. So, as one can see, we have done a lot more than the end of part 1, as I've been guerrilla hitting this puzzle, this beautiful Amerigo Vespucci puzzle from Clementoni. And it's coming together really nicely. Look at that beautiful puzzle coming together. It's just it's a joy to put together. I love the way the pieces just kind of drop right in if they fit, you know, just clocks in. So obviously we're finishing up the main of the ship. We haven't really done much of the sails yet, but we will, and we're fixing on the sea right now, so that's what we're working on. So enough jibber jabber and pontification, let's get started. Okay, it might be confession time. Forgive me, Father, for I have sinned. It has been many hours since I have turned on my time lapse. I apologize, guys. I've been hitting and missing this puzzle, but when I come in and hit it, sometimes I work on it for a couple minutes, sometimes I work on it a few hours, and then I just realize I didn't turn on my time lapse, and I'm like, forget it. You know, I'll turn it on the next time, then I come in the next time and I don't turn it on. You know how it goes. But we've done a lot of the puzzle off the time lapse, obviously. A lot of the puzzle. Basically, the whole bottom is done. The water. The ship is done. The sails is done. And we kind of started working on a blue on the sides. As you can see, the blue on the sides. Sort of right here, and I was starting to work on those and work my way up, and I'm like, you know what, I need to turn on this time lapse. You know, these people need to see what I'm doing. So apologize for that, guys, but I am definitely gonna turn it on to work on the rest of it, which is gonna be the hard part. Basically the sky. Now the sky has different textures, actually. If you could see the sky, you see it does have color variations. Okay, it has browns, it has whites, grays, and blues. Okay, these things can be sorted out and separated. So actually, when I started working on the blue, right here and right here, it came together pretty quickly. I was pretty surprised because it just did. So maybe that's going to be the case with the sky too. I don't know. We'll see when we turn on the time lapse, and we're going to keep working on this Amerigo Vespucci 1,000-piece Clementoni puzzle. Yeah, so we've done a lot. I'll give you one quick shot at it before we start time lapsing the rest of it. I mean, here it is. Here it is. Beautiful puzzle. Just coming along very, very nicely. Very nicely indeed. So, yeah, and look, they even got a little Italian flag right there. Alright, so let's just start plugging away on the Amerigo Vespucci, part 2. ladies and gents, well, let me show you where we're at in the final push of the Amerigo Vespucci Clementoni 1,000 piece puzzle. Let me show you where we're at now.
All right. So as you can see, we are about done. We are very close to done, D-O-N-E. I wonder what this piece will be. But anyways, we are almost done. Look at that. Probably, I would say we're about 85% done, 90% done, somewhere around there. 85 to 90% done with this beautiful Amerigo Vespucci Clementoni puzzle.
Let's not waste any more time pontificating. Let us finish this puzzle now with the time lapse and get her done. Last piece. Drum roll, please. Alright, so through sheer willpower and determination, we have finished the 1,000 piece Clementoni Amerigo Vespucci puzzle. It was challenging. I knew the sky would be challenging, and it took a lot of work, but you know, with patience and perseverance, you get there eventually, and we got there. Let me show you the finished puzzle right quick.
In all its beauty and splendor, the finished puzzle of the Amerigo Vespucci. Amerigo Vespucci 1,000 piece puzzle. Challenging. The sky was challenging, but really wasn't, I mean, as frustrating and difficult as I thought it was going to be. Probably because of all the color in it, made it much more pliable. Beautiful puzzle, just really great looking adventure puzzle of the Amerigo Vespucci.
So I dedicate this puzzle, Amerigo Vespucci, to my beloved cat, Deuces, who passed away today, as a matter of fact, from old age. About 17 to 18 years old, just went out almost like a light. Great cat. Couldn't ask for a better cat. Companion, a friend. We haven't been running too well when it comes to our animals. It's the third animal that we've lost in 8 months. I did take off work tonight to think about him and dedicate him because I am still a little teary-eyed about it. But hey, thank you for watching. Click the thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe, and we'll work on the next puzzle soon. Thank you.